Good evening to everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Okay, slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to discuss the activities which are related to block 4. If time permit, we will discuss the three
Sir,
more.
just request you to be a bit more louder.
Am I not audible?
Sir, voice is little low.
Sometime it happen. Otherwise, my voice is quite okay. Okay. So today we will discuss block 4. What are the activity related to block 4 and how as a teacher we will complete these activities. So first of all, I am sharing what are the activities which are related to block 4. The title of block 4 is changing the learners and changing oneself. Advanced practices. What are the advanced practices that all we discuss? If you see, there are A, B, C, three parts in block 4. A part is learning readiness, accelerations, and there are 4 units and one lesson from each unit we have to choose. When we are talking lesson plan, then lesson plan format is already discussed. It is available in your prospectus project guide, that is MES-085. Unit 1 is method of accelerating language readiness. Unit 2, methods for accelerating mathematical spatial learning. Unit 3, method of accelerating music rhythmic learning. And Unit 4 contains method for accelerating the readiness of scientific reasoning and problem solving. If you see, first is related to language, second mathematics, third music and rhymes, and fourth is related to scientific and problem solving. In B part, supervised instructional practice, and there are 3 units. From each unit, we have to choose 2 activity. Unit 5, 2 activity. Unit 6, 2 activity. And Unit 7, we have to choose 4 activities. Means from section A, there are 4 activities are required, one from each unit. Section B, there are 8 activity we have to choose from Unit 5 to Unit 6 2 and Unit 7 4. Unit 5 is designing action program for conducting class program for dramatization, action games, model making, coloring, making paper art, object, costumes, making, etc. And from these, we have to choose any 2. Unit 6, activities for developing basic conceptual tools, developing concept of cause effect, associations, interpreting relationship, estimating roughly length, area, weight, etc. organizing dramatic events, cultural festival, what we celebrate in our uh, society and occasions, for developing social communication and expression. Means the aim of Unit 6 is for developing the social and cultural activities. Unit 7, activities for stimulating visual, auditory, kinetics, and other sense. Simple case of problem solving, model making practice with different use of media. So from this we have to choose four activities. Means from A 4, from B A 12, total 12 activities. If we see the C part, and that C part is related to action research and case studies, what we teacher has to do in many of occasions, many of situations. So Unit 6, scientific method used for improving oneself and for improving one's professional performance, means use of action research. And there are some examples that teacher may take. Why the most of the children in my class dislike me? Why I am not considered successful by other teachers, and which are the activities which children relish. So these are some examples. You may take others, like why children are not happy with teaching in English, why teachers are not taking interest in teaching English, teaching mathematics, teaching science. So there are so many ideas, and you can choose your idea and can case study and can action research. Unit 9, conducting a simple case study or classroom research on a selected problem concerning one's professional performance. There are examples how child, whatever is the name, is behaving unusually on certain days. How the other teachers rate my professional ability. How I can get better cooperation from parents in my professional performance. And how would I ensure that the children have acquired all the abilities which I attempt to develop among the child. So these are the, and from this the case studies are not defined how many we have to take. So just uh, I should go for first slide to understand what activity we have to choose in part C. Yeah, if you see the chart from Unit C, one case study and one action research is required, means that is half credit. So total block 4 is containing 4 plus 8 plus 2, total 14 activities report we have to submit as a project, as a part of project, and its weight is total 2 to 4 to 6 and 7 credit load is there. How will complete this activity? Now let us discuss. Okay. So this is unit 1, and as you are aware that from each unit we have to choose one activity, and this is the format in given in your prospectus. But you have to choose, if where is written lesson plan, means you have to choose the format of lesson plan. So this is regarding the language readiness. Unit 2 is regarding to mathematical spatial learning. Unit 3 is related to accelerating musical rhythmic, and Unit 4 is regarding scientific reasoning and problem solving. And all these four activities are compulsory and need to submit it as a part of project. If you go in Unit 5, that is the part of your part B. So Unit 5 is, we have already discussed the designing a action programs for conducting classroom programs, and there are activities, but you have to choose two activities. One is dramatization, action games, model making, coloring, making paper art object, and costume making. Means by these activity you have to prepare lesson plan and act accordingly in the classroom and write the outcomes what you have observed, the changing behavior and the development of the child. So these six activities, from these you have to choose two activity as far as Unit 5 is concerned. So this is, I have taken only lesson plan 1 and lesson plan 2 because we have to choose only two activity. Now if we go for Unit 6, Unit 6 activities for developing basic conceptual tool, developing concept or causal effects association. So this is the compulsory, and choose any activity. There are so many things are given, means interpret relationship, make estimate of length or area or weight. You can take any one, means you can take the problem of area, you can take the problem of length, you can take problem of weight. Excuse me. Okay, so this is B part. Earlier A part was there and you have to choose one activity. This is B part, and that is related to development of social communication and expression of the child. This is Unit 7, means Unit 6. There are two part A and B, and from each part you have to choose one activity. As far as Unit 7 is concerned, you have to choose four activity. Five activities are given, but you have to choose four activity. One is stimulate visual sense, stimulate auditory sense, stimulate kinetic sense, and simple case of problem solving, model making with different media. So take any four activities, although I will show you then how one child, one learner has completed these activities. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. Why I have taken lesson 4 only? Because we have to complete only four activities. Unit 6 is related, sorry, Unit 8 is related to action research. Action research we have discussed in as a part of our program. Action research is a research where when teacher do as a very small kind of research, means that is based on a specific area, a specific need and a specific environment that may not be useful in other atmosphere and other schools and other uh, segment of society. So action research is basically problem related research. So what we have to do to improve oneself and for one's professional performance, conduct action research. Choose any issue, whatever you feel that needs to be taken care. Like if the child is not taking attention in the particular session, particular uh, period, then it is the case of action research. As a teacher, we have to identify the reason and their implications, and then final outcomes or final hours, this generalization of result. So this is Unit 8. Unit 9, case study. Here there is a little bit difference between action research and case study. although somehow there are little bit quite same, because we have in case study we also have to do some observation, some keen eyes on the child, that what he is doing and how he is performing. And after these observation, as a teacher we draw the conclusion or outcome for remedial activities. So case study we have to do one only. It is half credit. Similar action research is also half credit activity, and case study is also half credit. So take any child, any situation, and write the important things what you want to observe, and try to get the reasons for the particular change behavior or particular non attention of the child in the classroom, or any related activity whatever you want to know. So this is the regarding your, yeah, this is the lesson plan format. Although this I have already discussed in previous classes yesterday, you have to complete all the lesson plan in this format only. This is the page 1 and this is page 2. So this is about the activities, little bit information, what activities we have to do as a part of project. So now let me share one example of this block number 4. Just give me time for 1 minute. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the block 4. This is the detail about activities, and now how one of the learner has submitted their project. This is the format. Nothing is new. I'm just scrolling. This is unit 1, and this is the format of lesson plan. Name of the child and school name, time. This is the format. Nothing have to do. Format is very clear. And these are the lesson plan. Teacher has taken some important area and taught in the classroom, and whatever observation she made and he made, a summary was given, or evaluation also done by the teacher only based on his experience and his observation, his or her observation. So this is the activity first from unit 1. Similar repetition will be there. Unit 2 lesson plan is there. One activity she has taken. Unit 3 lesson plan is there. Format is same. Then summary by the teacher, evaluation part of the teacher, and unit 4 on the same pattern. Okay, this we should learn method for accelerating the rudiment of scientific reasoning and problem solving. The researcher has taken one child from UKG, Bachpan Playway School. Time and subject was given. General objectives, general aim, specific aim, what the learning aid will require, and this is the format, means what preparation, then presentation and teaching aid. Okay, then summary, then evaluation, and student teacher name is Baljit Kaur. Okay, this is the researcher. Okay, now the unit 5. From unit 5, it is clear, then we have to take 8 activity. Sorry, this is block B, and unit 5 we have to take 2 activity. Unit 6, that graph already we have discussed. Total 8 activity we have to take from block 4 part B. This is the format. Unit 6 lesson plan. This is not new. Whatever you do in your classroom is just like that only, but here you have to document it in the form of part of project, and within that too within the format that given in your program guide. This is unit 6. Summary, then evaluation, then student teacher name. Unit 7, unit 8, unit 9. What is this B? B is the indication or first alphabet of student teacher, or you may call researcher, Baljit Kaur. What I understand, I don't know, is there any significance or any relevance of this B? Because what is the topic? Topic is students know alphabet. Okay, this is the one alphabet B. They already performed alphabets finding and matching activities. Today I planned activities would be beneficial for their visual sense. Okay, in this particular activity, teacher is developing visual sense. This is activity 2. So total we have to choose 14 activity. Whatever teaching aid is taken by teacher, he and she is giving in this particular format that is teaching aid required. Yesterday I have already shown in this picture I have already shown you. And that was a very wonderful picture. Unit 7. Same format. No, this is one more. After 7, part C, this is action research. And one more will be case study. This is action research and this is case study. This is result and generalization. So this is about, okay, this was the only, this is the case study she has taken, I think so. Yes, simple case study or classroom research on a selected problem concerning one professional performance. Simple use case study. Why child X is behaving unusually on certain days. So data collected by the student teacher, cause root, try to identify, then analysis and interpretation, implementation, the best solution, because this analysis and interpretation may give the set of remedial solutions. But as a teacher, we have to take the best solutions for implementation. Then evaluation part is there. So this is about your activity are to be completed as the part of black block 4 A, B, C, total 14 12 lesson plan and 2 case study as well as this action research has to be submitted. If you see the chart first, this one. We have completed block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4 activity, but you have to submit some important records. In the bottom, it is written records means picture book, you have to prepare, book of stories, you have to prepare, and number 3, teaching aids. You have to prepare means doll, puppets, puzzles, even number system, alphabets, sandpaper, shapes, material for science training, flashcard of story, first aid box, etc. And picture book having 1 credit, book stories having 1 credit, and teaching aids that you have to submit and produce. It may be in the form of file, in the form of uh, workable teaching aids, as I shown you yesterday. But better is take photograph for these teaching aids. Okay, now today time is there. I am discussing this how to prepare picture book and how to prepare story and rhymes. No, this is not. Is it? Yes. One of teacher has prepared picture book. I am showing 100%. Yes. Okay. Is it visible? This is the picture book prepared by the student teacher. And in this picture book, she has taken alphabet, number, sum, subtraction, birds, animals, house picture, school pictures, fruit, flowers. These pictures she has taken in the picture book. This is a picture of alphabet, but here there is one suggestion of me. If she is preparing such a wonderful alphabet A, then she should name this picture apple. Their full form should be also there. Apple. This is ball. This is car, and it would be better. So this is picture of alphabet A B C D, and it is up to X Y Z. Yeah. Numbers is also there. She used these pictures for telling the number to the children. Birds, good. She had written the full name sorrow, goose, yawn, parrot, cook. Animals, name also there. Kangaroo. Now the picture of house. House, even the picture of bedroom, kitchen, reading room. So many pictures she has taken. Even type of fruits, flowers, mathematical 2 star plus 3 star equal to 5 star. Subtraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 4 and equal to 2 smiley. So this is the picture book. The second one is rhymes and stories book. Some pictures taken by the student teacher, or she should have taken the photograph and cut on the this yellow paper. And this is the title two friends and a beer. So from by using this picture, it is clear there are two friends, and one is climbing on the tree. If the person is not able to read, then little bit understanding are being given by the picture. Here, one bear came, and one is already on the tree. So this story you must have heard many times. A crusty crow. These are the rhymes. This is very popular. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. So these are the stories, rhymes as well as a storybook, which gives the clear picture and clear understanding to the child about their learning, and as far as this for overall development also. These are the, and this is the last page of your picture book. So this is two credit activities. One is picture book and second is story book or story and rhyme book that you have to complete. And one that I have also shown you yesterday, that some teaching aids you have to prepare for this particular part of your project. So this is little bit about your project. I have discussed each and every aspects of your MESP 085 and try to discuss and try to even demonstrate how you have to prepare these activities, these teaching aids, and there are some files are required as a part of project. So I'm confident that you all will be able to complete this MES 085 project. Timeline: if you are appearing in this term and examination, so try to submit before term and examination so that your viva may take place. As far as yesterday, two problems were taken. One is kind of permission. I tried to reach many of the officer, but they said that every regional center is providing the kind of this permission letter. If it not, then one should write directly to the regional director or program coordinator of this particular program from IGNOU New Delhi. So this is one. Second was also there. This what is the role of study center? You know, study center is the first contacting point for the learner. Each and every, even your counseling session take place at your study center. Submission of assignment take place at your study center. As far as this project is concerned, there should be a guide or mentor from study center. If it is not available all time, then complete your project by learning whatever you have learned in these sessions and try to show if any improvement or any suggestions given by the teacher, mentor, or your coordinator, that would be always helpful, always beneficial to you. So this is from my side. If anybody else have any question, welcome.
Sir, I want to ask one question.
Please speak loudly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask that if you're talking about picture books and story and rhymes books, so we have to prepare that and we have to send the hard copy, or we have to take the pictures and send the soft copy.
No, no, you have to, as I shown you, picture book and rhymes, this story and rhymes. That is in the form of file.
Yes, sir.
That is in the form of file, and you have to submit to your regional center along with your this lesson plan and all. Means you can take one combined file. One is taking block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4 activities and add these storybook and picture file.
Okay, sir. And
Yeah.
sir, I have another question.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is whether, sir, whatever formats is available on the activity itself and the general format is
No, no,
available in appendix.
format is available in your MESP 085 as far as lesson plan is concerned. Even for all activity, format is there.
Sir, we can use the photocopy of the format or we have to
Definitely,
write it manually.
you can use this format by taking photocopy. But sometimes what happen, if you are doing something, then many things comes in your mind, and that paper may not be sufficient for you. If then you take double page, no issue.
Yes, sir.
But it would be better if you take the prescribed format for completing your activity.
Okay, sir. And sir, I have contacted the assistant regional director for my permission letter, but still no response I'm getting from the last 10 days.
What is the name of Assistant Regional Director?
Dr. Smriti Gargava.
Gargava. Okay. So she had not helped you.
Sir, she asked me that she replied with the mail that please send us a draft reference letter. We will
Hmm.
get it done. The
Hmm.
format may be taken from your practicum guide. So I
Okay.
already sent the reference letter around 10 days ago, and
Okay.
I'm continuously asking for from her that
Purpose.
she will reply
Deepak,
with the
Deepak,
permission
Deepak,
letter.
Deepak, for you only. It is not general kind of generalization.
Yes,
Once
sir.
you are means I am feeling I am taking it very serious because you are writing to regional center since uh, 10 days. So try to reach regional director through email or through, if possible, kindly visit your regional center. Or I am telling you one more name. That name is Dr. Ansuman Upadhyay. He is, I think, he is a deputy director at your regional center, Bhopal. So write to him. Definitely, he will help you out.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anybody have any question?
Sir, I just have a doubt. Block 4 from uh,
Please ask whatever you doubt.
yeah. Sir, block 4, the first 4 units, we have to take one lesson plan from
More
each unit.
from each. You take it as all four units are compulsory for you.
Okay. So,
Okay.
what about the last one, 9, 8,
Which one?
after 5, 6, 7, the rest of it, unit 8, 9.
Let me show again. Let me show again. Just a minute. Just a minute.
So can you quickly summarize from each block, each unit?
It will take more, again for 2 days.
No, no,
I
sir.
have, no, I have already told you because all the videos, all these recordings are available on RC website. If it is not, then it will be uploaded within day and two.
Okay.
Yeah, this is regarding. Uh, is it visible? This one.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, you were talking on this block 4, part A. Means you have to take all four activities. One lesson plan from each unit. There are 4 unit and 4 unit you have to take. As
Okay.
far as this part, this B concern, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7. From unit 5, you have to choose two activity. From unit 6, you have to choose two activity. From unit, you have to choose four activity. So it becomes 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. So that total are 12. But as far as part C is concerned, one action research you have to take and one case study you have to take. So total activity will be 14 as far as block 4 is concerned. Okay?
Okay, so from unit 8 and 9, we need to take one case study and one.
Yeah. One case study and one action research.
Okay.
And that may be on same child or different child. It is your choice. It is
Okay.
availability of the data.
And so we need to take permission if from the regional center if we are,
This is a very persisting issue. If
yeah,
the
if we are, if we want to do
you
the
are
activity
taking
with the
if you are
friends.
taking if you are taking the child from neighbor or your own family members, then no permission is required. Okay.
Okay.
If you are taking the child from any reputed preschool, I am just highlighting the name. Reputed preschool means they will not allow you without permission,
Yeah,
and that permission will be issued by your regional center.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is there any kind of supporting document we need to take? Suppose we go to the study center and there is a counselor. So
Definitely,
whatever.
your I card is the document.
No, no,
Whenever, wherever
not
you
that
are
way, sir. I mean to say any kind of documentation, or we have taken counseling from study center, that also needs to be attached when we are submitting the project, or
no,
we are
no, no,
just.
no. Compulsory is just for you only. It is not compulsory. It is advisable because I think since last month we are here, and I have not bounded anyone that why you were not present yesterday. It is a kind of their as per their choice. But
Okay.
definitely this practicum or this project work is the compulsory part of your evaluation. Okay.
Yes, sir. So I'm saying there is no document which is required from the
No, no,
study
no,
center
no,
to be attached in the project file.
no document is required. No, not at all.
Okay. 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 Perfectly fine, sir.
So thank you very much. If
Sir, once again, can you share your email ID? Last request.
my email,
Yes, sir. I missed it. I'm so I couldn't type
okay,
it.
no, issue, no, issue, no issue. I will say.
I hope we can send some queries, sir, if we are stuck.
Yeah, definitely, definitely, definitely.
Thank you, sir.
So, friend, thank you very much. Actually, there is another class from this coming time, 6. So I take off from all of you. Thank you very much. Have a good day and nice talking to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And one thing I would say, this is the one of the best group, wonderful group.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Great,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. उनकी दूसरी क्लास होती है इसमें अब कुछ नहीं वो बता रहे हैं ना खाली क्लास को वो सब्जेक्ट को